Hello Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is new moon in Taurus reading for sun, moon and rising in Cancer. Okay, so Cancer, this new moon is happening on May 11th and May 12th. Okay, so May 11th night is the new moon night in Taurus for you. It's happening in one of the beautiful times in places for you, that is the 11th house. Okay, 11th house is all about your destiny house. It's about your visions, long-term goals, and friendships, networks that could try to come into your life right now. Okay, so now is the time to focus on your long-term goals. Okay, so if you have been planning to do something for a long time or for a futuristic goals, and if you are trying to partner up with something or join a new social media group or a network, or try to gain something financially also, this is the right time for you. Okay, this new moon could be very, very prosperous for you. This could be very, very prosperous for you, Cancer. So let's see, I'm using the Hanson Roberts deck here, okay, for the overall energy. I'm going to be doing a 5-card spread for you for this new moon. Significator, obstacle, the foundation, the past, the crowning, and the future for you. Okay, so this is the tarot deck I'm going to use. There is no reversals in this deck, it's only prediction for you, and I'm going to clarify with the everyday tarot. There's reversals in this deck, and I'm going to pull one energy oracle card for you, okay, from this deck. So let's see. New moon in Taurus, okay, for Cancer, sun, moon and rising. So let's begin. Take a deep breath, Cancer. Okay, it's a beautiful time for you. So let's see what's the energy, what you're currently dealing with during this new moon. Wow, the Magician. Beautiful. You could be manifesting, or you have the power to manifest right now, Cancer. Okay, so let's see. What's the obstacle for you, Cancer? What's the obstacle? What's the hindrance? The hindrance is the King of Swords. The hindrance is the King of Swords. The King of Swords could be Gemini, Libra, or an Aquarius that's currently dealing with, or this could be you too. You could be logical, focused on your mind. Maybe you're trying to be really, really unemotional. Okay, logically thinking. What's the foundation? What's the foundation? Wow, the foundation is the 7 of Swords. Oh my goodness, I don't like this combo here, Cancer. I said Gemini. Okay, could be a Gemini here, definitely. Magician is a Gemini for me. King of Swords is a Gemini, could be a Gemini. 7 of Swords is a Gemini card too, or could be an Aquarius or a Libra too. Oh my goodness, Cancer. Are you doing something, a secret plan? Are you doing something in secret? Oh my goodness. What's the past energy for you, Cancer? Past energy. Past energy for you. 2 of Pentacles. Not a good reading for you, Cancer. What's the crowning energy? What's the crowning energy? Crowning energy for Cancer. The Hermit. Okay. Crowning is the Hermit. Okay. And what's the outcome? 6 of Cups. Okay. And what's the overall energy? The World. Okay, Cancer. The World with the King of Pentacles. Okay. World with the King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, and the 5 of Rods. Justice. 3 of Cups, 9 of Swords, Justice, 3 of Rods, 5 of Rods, Queen of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, and the World. Okay. Cancer, there's 2 things here. Okay. There's 2 things here. Straight up, there's a cheating scenario here. Okay, Cancer, there's a cheating scenario here. Someone cheated on with their ex, and I'm itching. Someone cheated on with their ex here, okay? Someone from the past, okay? And because of this cheating, with the Two of Pentacles and the Seven of Swords here, because of this cheating, the relationship is ending right now. This could have been, someone could have been juggling you. They could have been in a relationship with you and they went and slept with their ex. Definitely this is a physical cheating, okay? And this could have been, they could have been hiding this from you, but you found out, or they found out. And this is definitely a two-timing situation, okay? With the King of Rods here, okay, someone could have been manipulating you by telling you that, oh, he's just my friend, she's just my friend, oh, we are just childhood friends, or we are together just because let's clarify. There's also one more situation. There's one more situation. I don't know how much it will be resonating for you, Cancer, but I'm just going to put it out. If this is an ex, okay, and this ex had a baby with you, and because they are trying to show that they are the mother of your child or the father of the child. I think there's a mother of the child here, and you're the father, Cancer, or could be vice versa. Could be you could be the mother, and this ex is coming into your life. You had a baby, and now you're forced to go back to your ex, to your person, because of this cheating, because of the child here, okay? Definitely a sexual cheating that gone wrong here. And you're forced to begin a new cycle with this father of the child or the mother of the child because of the child here, okay? Someone is definitely pregnant. For me, the Magician is also a pregnancy card, where the Magician is all about creation, right? So you create a baby. So there was a baby that got created by cheating. And the King of Swords could be the father of your child, or if you're the Cancer woman, King of Swords is the father of the child. I don't know why I'm getting this as a Libra, not a Gemini for you, Cancer. Could be a Libra or an Aquarius. Okay, let's dig deep, Cancer. Let's dig deep, Cancer. There's reversals in this deck, okay? So what is this Magician here? What is this Magician here? Ten of Swords. Oh my goodness, definitely someone could have slept and got this child, and that is the betrayal here, okay? They either went back to their ex, okay, for the child, or went back to the ex because they are pregnant right now, and this could have been a blow to you right now, Cancer. Or you could be the one that is pregnant right now and they are forced to come back to you, and that's by betraying someone else, okay? Could be anything. King of Swords here, okay? Why is the King of Swords the obstacle here? King of Swords being the obstacle here is this person could be a liar, a manipulator, definitely someone. The Ten of Pentacles here, oh, married cheating, definitely stepped out of the marriage here. This person could be the husband here, or the father of the child, the patriarch of the family, and this person could have stepped out of the relationship and got someone else pregnant here. The pregnancy is the cheating, I think, here. When I told you the Seven of Swords here, definitely this was a cheating, a physical cheating. The Sun. See, the Sun could be elimination. The Sun could also literally mean the child. There's a child on this card, okay? Definitely, this child is the betrayal here. Two of Pentacles. Let's see what's this two-timing situation. Two of Pentacles or the Two of Pentacles. God is not telling me. God is definitely telling me that there was that second party here. This person stepped out of the marriage. Could have been a married person, because with the World on top of the King of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles, this is a stable couple, a married couple, someone that is in a relationship together, okay? They could be having a family together, a life together, a house together, and with the World on this relationship, the couple is ending because someone stepped out of the relationship. Could be a woman, could be a man, and this is because someone stepped out of the relationship. With the Five of Rods there, definitely a competition situation. Someone could have been in a relationship and cheated on with someone from their past. The past could be an ex, a baby mama, or even someone from the childhood. So let's focus on what's this Hermit card. Hermit card. What's the Hermit? The Hermit, you know, I don't know. There's no snake in this here. Judgment on the Hermit. Oh goodness. Okay. 2 major arcanas. See, I have the Hermit below. You know, sometimes the synchronicities just kill me. Okay, the Hermit. So someone found out the truth. Okay, this judgment now, there's a wake-up call for you, Cancer, or for the other person. This betrayal, this liar, someone found out that this man was the liar, could have been married, or they married for money. They went back to their ex by getting them pregnant, and because of the child situation, they have to stay together. Okay, that came out into the light here. With the Hermit card, the light here, that there is always a snake here, okay, in the Rider-Waite, okay, but there is no snake in this deck, but generally that is what it is. Someone went into isolation, they found out the truth, they found out that there is a betrayal here, okay. This person cheated on the married partner and slept with someone from the past, and there was a child that happened here. There's big wake-up call for you. Oh my goodness, Cancer. Definitely this was a cheating and a relationship, physical cheating. 2 tens here, definitely an ending here. 6 of Cups. What is the 6 of Cups here, Spirit? 6 of Cups for Cancer. 6 of Cups for Cancer. If there is no child here, this is someone from the past, an ex here. 8 of Pentacles reversed. Okay. Yeah, someone stopped working on to this past year before. The Empress. Could be a relationship, could be a baby. Yeah, 6 of Pentacles here. Yeah, Lovers. Definitely someone had a choice to be made, okay. 8 of Pentacles reverse could also mean that someone was stuck with their ex in cycles. They were going round and round with their ex in the cycles, okay. Someone could have been doing something out of spite here, okay. I forgot to pull the energy card for you. So let's see what's the energy card for you, Cancer. Energy card for you, Cancer. Energy card for you for new moon in Taurus. Oh my goodness. New moon in Taurus. Storm warning. Yeah, definitely a storm here with the 5 of Rods here. Someone found out the truth that they went back to the ex, cheated, and that came into light. The Sun and the Hermit could also mean illumination. A married man cheating, and that is now a problem right now. Okay, maybe right now your husband cheated with you, and you're splitting the assets here right now, or you found out that there is. I'm getting irritated with this 2 of Pentacles on the 2 of Pentacles. So let's try and focus on getting something out of what is this choice. Or what is this 2 timing? Who was the other person? What's the reason here? What's the two of Pentacles? The Page of Wands reversed. Okay. There could have been the King of Pentacles reversed. Okay. Yeah, we have the King of Pentacles here again. I think this is... Yeah. Someone had a choice to make. Okay. If it is a Cancer woman, okay, you stepped out of the relationship with the King of Pentacles. Maybe you were married to this person. You stepped out of it with the Gemini, Libra, or an Aquarius man. And now that person is, you found out that is the father of your child and not the one you were married to. Okay. Okay. That is the energy I'm getting. Page of Wands could also be a child, passionate communication that came out. And maybe it is like out of the blue. You just went out, had sex, stepped out of the relationship, and now someone does not want to work on this past relationship because they found out that this person, the King of Pentacles, is not the father of the child. Because with the World card on the King of Pentacles, maybe this relationship, the marriage is ending because the father of the child is another person, not the married man. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. With the Justice upright with the 9 of Swords, I think that's the reason here, Cancer. Maybe this divorce is trying to get on your nerves right now. But the thing is, there's definitely 2 men involved. The married man is breaking up because the father of the child or the someone went to their past here and got either pregnant or went to the past, cheated, and there's a laughter energy right now in the family because of this 2 timing situation. Okay, I think this is 1 woman, 2 men situation, Cancer. With the 7 of Swords here on the Sun, okay, someone thought that they could just sleep with this person, married man or the married woman, and escape out. Okay, maybe some people just go and seek relationships that are already stable because they don't want a commitment. But unfortunately, the person who cheated on with the partner or with their husband is now is the reason for this breakup right now, because either they got conceived or this cheating came out to light, and the relationship is ending. Okay, I hope you'll be getting something good in the upcoming new moon for you, Cancer. Okay, I hope you will be settling this, and secrets came out. Maybe it is meant to happen for you and it happened like that. Okay, I hope this reading resonated with you, Cancer. Thank you.